Immediately, yes girl, I have never tried a range of products where I thought, my goodness, where has this been all my life? Today we're doing wash day with SHEA Moisture's Strength and Restore range. It's the black Jamaican castor oil one, and I'm so excited to share it with you. There are several products in this range, but today I will be trying the shampoo, the Strength and Restore mask, and also the leave-in conditioner. Let's go. So before I continue, today's video is in partnership with SKILLSHARE. I am so excited to be partnering with SKILLSHARE, guys. SKILLSHARE is an online learning community where you find thousands and thousands of people learning so many different skills around their interests. And I can't stress this enough. You have to check it out because on SKILLSHARE, not only do you have access to thousands of courses, but you have the ability to actually access this information ad-free. Isn't that awesome? It's unlike YouTube where you have to be interrupted by all sorts of adverts here and there. On SKILLSHARE, you can stream and learn whatever it is you're interested in without the ads. And to make things even better, guys, you can learn just about anything you can think of, whether it be photography, cooking, interior design. And for me, for example, I'm a content creator. So I'm very interested in learning skills around improving my the quality of my videos, improving my editing skills, how to do vlogging, for example, and how to film better in general. So I encourage you to check it out. You'll also be excited to know that for the first 1,000 subscribers of mine that sign up for SKILLSHARE, you get the whole first month free of charge, guys. And as though that's not enough, you can get not 10, not 20, but 30% off if you sign up for the year. So whether you want to try it out free of charge for a whole month, no risk involved, or you just want to jump in and start learning now, I'll have links to both of those deals. The first link will be to offer you a free trial for the first month, and the second link will be to offer you 30% off for the whole year. This is a no-brainer. Get onto it, guys. Links will be below. Be sure to follow the links below. And yeah, I hope you enjoy SKILLSHARE. Starting with the shampoo, it kind of smells like, I don't know, it has a sweet smell to it, and it has a consistency a tad bit lighter than honey, almost like a syrup. And then the deep conditioning mask, or what is it, the Strength and Restore mask, is almost like a protein treatment, and it is thick. Its scent is much milder than the shampoo, but it is a thicker than thick mask. I've done a full review on this one and I'll put a link above. It's an immediate yes. Next we have the leave-in conditioner, which also smells quite lovely. I have never used this before and I'm excited to try it. But yeah, this is what it looks. It's on the thicker side as well, but definitely not as thick as the mask. And to wrap it all up, I thought it was perfect that I seal my hair in with this black Jamaican castor oil. So I went in with a generous amount, starting from my scalp and rubbing it through the roots of my hair. You can see that it lathered pretty well, especially that it was my first application of shampoo. The lather that you get with your shampoos has got a lot to do with how dirty your hair is. So the dirtier the hair, the less lather you get, if you know what I mean. But with this shampoo, I didn't need to lather the second time. I just applied the shampoo once, rubbed it through my hair, and to be honest, I was worried that it would strip my hair, and I didn't need it to be stripped at this particular time. However, I am glad to report that after rinsing the shampoo out, my hair was so soft, guys. I had to go back and look at the ingredient list, and voila, glycerin is one of the top ingredients in the shampoo. It also has protein, which is great for strengthening the hair. However, it's got aloe as well, and aloe is a film forming humectant which helps keep or maintain moisture in your hair. So yeah, enough said. This shampoo is a winner for me. If you're looking for a moisturizing shampoo, I would definitely give this one a try. Onto the strengthening mask. Like I said, I've used this one before and absolutely love it. As you can see, it's like a clay consistency. It's very buttery. It applies well to the hair, but it's very, very thick. So last time I used it, I didn't apply water and ended up using way more than I needed. And yeah, it's just a tad bit easier if you apply water. It applies a little bit better with water. So I decided to show you guys again my second attempt applying this product, and I loved it. I loved how it felt on my hair once I put it on my hair. It does require a bit of work to work it into the hair, and obviously applying water this time, it's much nicer and easier to spread. But all in all, this is a favorite for me. It's a mild protein treatment, but I do believe that it's a balanced product, so you can actually just use it as a hydrating stroke deep conditioning mask, if you know what I mean. And once again, looking at the ingredient list, aloe vera, castor oil, of course glycerine, and shea butter are one of the ingredients that I feel are really impacting how this product feels on my hair. It's really nice and soft to the touch. After allowing the hair to cook up in the air for about an hour or so, I took off the plastic cap and the head sock, and guys, can I tell you how soft my hair was feeling? That product, listen, my hair just drank that product up. I absolutely loved how my hair feels after applying this product. By the way, I seem to use this product 2 times, well, 2 or 3 times depending, but since my hair has gotten longer and the product is very thick, I seem to use it up only twice or 3 times if I'm really being careful. But yeah, I'm usually heavy-handed with the product and use up quite a bit. Of course, we do know that the test of what a product really does to your hair is measured after the product has been rinsed out of your hair. It's easy for the hair to feel nice and soft and buttery while the product is in, especially for deep conditioners or masks for that matter. However, once you rinse it out, that's the real measure of how the hair or how the product has made your hair feel. So after rinsing my hair, I went ahead and dried it with one of these, it's almost like a t-shirt material, but I had to run some errands, so I had this on, and it's actually a dress, but I don't think anyone can tell. Can you tell that this is actually a dress and not an actual head wrap? Comment below. Anywho, my hair is maybe 50% dry at the moment, and you can see that definition coming through, guys. It was lovely to feel. My hair was nice and soft, and the last step was obviously to apply that leave-in conditioner to see what the hair would end up feeling like after using all the 3 products. So what I did is I went in with the leave-in conditioner and applied generously before sealing all that moisture in with my Jamaican black castor oil, and then using my KAZMALEJE brush to detangle, because they actually say that this leave-in conditioner helps to detangle the hair, and I can say that it does help to detangle the hair, but yeah, in order to get like a detangler kind of effect, you need to use quite a bit of it. Yeah, and like I'm not using that much for me to be applying heaps and heaps of product on my hair, because I'm actually leaving it in the hair. It's not like a rinse out product, so I don't know how I feel about this particular property of this leave-in. It did help bring out definition a little bit in the curls. They were definitely softer and much easier to detangle, but yeah, it's not in the category of a detangler, if you know what I mean. But yeah, the hair definitely felt soft and moisturized. I do like the product, but it's the least favorite, you know, when it comes to the three that I've tested today. The shampoo, the deep conditioning, you know, strengthen and restore mask are my favorite, and then this one comes last on the list. And to be honest, when you look at the ingredients in this leave-in conditioner, you will find that glycerin has actually dropped to somewhere in the middle of the ingredient list, and that is why, maybe that's just my thinking. I'm thinking maybe the glycerin being dropped, or you know, like there's less glycerin in this product, it just means that it's less softer, or it has a less softening effect when compared to the other two products which had glycerin as, you know, top 5 of the ingredient list, if you know what I mean. Having said all this, I do love this range, guys. I'll probably use this leave-in conditioner when I'm doing like a blowout, for example, where you don't want glycerin to keep, you know, introducing frizz to your hair, for example. So yeah, I'll use it then. It does hydrate and moisturize the hair, no problem at all, but I have used better leave-in conditioners. However, the shampoo, the deep conditioning mask, it's a must for me. I just absolutely enjoyed and loved them. I ended up twisting my hair and doing a flexi rod set, yeah, and stretching my hair that way, and my hair was lovely, moisturized and fluffy, which I really appreciated. Do comment below if you use these products, what you think about them, if you use any other products by SHEA Moisture, and what's your take on them. It's sometimes a hit or miss. With SHEA Moisture, you just never know what you end up getting with the products, even if it's marketed a certain way. Like, we've gotten smarter as African women. You can't really trick us with just saying, oh, hydrating with aloe. Like, we actually look at ingredient lists, and I would encourage you, if you are not, to start looking and reading your ingredient list so you can have an idea of what your products are going to do for your hair. And sometimes, yeah, even with reading ingredient lists, you still get it wrong, or you still just don't get the results that you want with your hair. So continue to experiment if you need to. Do not give up. You can do this without really breaking the bank. There's affordable products that can still, you know, allow you to have a healthy regimen and grow your hair long and healthy, if that is your goal. So yeah, keep going. Anyway, enough ramble. I will let you guys watch the video to the end, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.